Hi and welcome to another episode of 10 Minute Makes. My name is Marcie and I thought I would come on today and make some summer themed napkin pouches. I saw this idea from Erin at Coop's Place Crafts and so I thought I would share it with you and we'll see how many we can do in 10 minutes. Now these napkins I got at Dollar Tree, both of these. Actually, I believe all of these were from Dollar Tree. And then I'm just using the thermal pouches from Scotch, and I got these on Amazon. I think it's like 100 or 200 pack. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. But this is like the napkin opens right here. So I'm thinking that this is kind of the direction. This is the top bottom. But if you flip it around, it's rotated. And so I'm actually going to cut both pieces in half. So we'll do this one. And then I'll set that aside. And then I'm going to cut this one. This is totally a preference. So I cut the napkin so that we have two halves. And then I'm just gonna look at the orientation and see which one I think looks the best. And then I'm gonna put them back together like that. And then before I put it in the pouch, I'm gonna separate the 2-ply. And I saw an opening right there. I don't know if you can hear our neighbors, but they're in the pool and I'm not sure what they're doing. Having fun for sure. And we go here. Well, that's not supposed to happen that way. Let's do another one. All right, this one works. Let's do this one. And I'm gonna go with this being the upright. So what you do is you put the napkins together, or if it was just a half, you would just fold it up. And we'll put it in. So let's see, we're gonna go all the way to the corner. And I want to make sure that they are layered right on top of each other. So we'll close it up. And then we're going to put in the laminator, the sealed in. So this end is sealed and this end is open. So let's So I always put my laminated items through at least twice. So we just go, we want to leave a little bit of a border. So when we cut this, we want to leave a little bit of a border. We don't want to cut right up to the napkin. So you can leave like 1/8 of an inch or 1/16 of an inch border all the way around. And then the top, we're going to open that up completely, which is perfect because mine is off-centered, not off-centered, but the napkins didn't perfectly match up. So if you want perfectly straight edges, you can use a ruler and an X-Acto knife, or like a rotary knife. You can use a paper trimmer. And see, we had a few little difficulties there, but see how cute these are? They're just adorable. And you can even do a birthday one. So let me do this and I'll show you. So here are the pouches that we made today. I hope you have a magnificent day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another 10-minute make. Bye-bye.